Hey guys, welcome to my Bloxburg video, and today we will be making a store called Gucci. And yes, I am doing this. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to know when I update, and comment anything on the video. Yes, we already started building a Gucci store. So yeah, this is just the layout. Y'all, you didn't really miss anything. Right, now to stop building the actual part in the store. So, vice versa. Okay, there you go. Counters, yes. Right. So I'm just gonna buy these. Okay. Cheap counter. I don't want to make it seem like this Gucci store isn't very expensive, because it is. Just like that. But I really do. No, it's not that I can't afford it. It's just I want this to be my counters. And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna go to chairs. Well, nope, we are not gonna go to chairs because checkout people have to stand to check out people. Yeah. Alright, now let's just go to. Come on, load. Yeah. Alright. Let's just go to storage. Where's storage? Storage is right here. And we are just going to go ahead and buy some clothing racks because it's a clothing store and you want to have clothing racks in a clothing store because otherwise if you didn't have clothing racks in a clothing store, then where would you get your clothes? Yeah, that's my point. Alright, well, that's good. Yeah, righty. I'm sure Gucci does not have sales, but this is going to be the clearance section. Decorations. No. Wait. No, I'm just going to go to all. And then we're just going to quickly type in. And that pops up. Yeah, that's going to be our gigantic clearance thing. And this is also going to be a clearance thing. And then, yes, bro. Alright, we're going to buy one. Let's see. Well, we are waiting for the. Oh, okay, there you go. So, and then I'm just gonna type in painting again because it's always good to have signs telling you. No, it's not even. Okay, we're gonna have to put this on medium because it's not right even. No, we're just gonna have to do that. That's gonna be the Gucci store. So, alright. One. Oh, now. Hold on. There we go. Alright, we're gonna get one more poster. This is Gucci hanging in the bag. So, now we're gonna go to windows and buy me some windows for this Gucci place. To snazz it up a little. I mean, it's a Gucci store. What you gonna get out of a Gucci store? There. It's gotta be very precise. Hold up, I gotta fix it. There, that's even. I'm sure. Yes. Alright. Okay, now we need to put me. Oh no, it's stuck. There we go. Alright. I'm just gonna get some cool window designs, like larger. Well, we gonna have to wait here. There we go. After all, this is a Gucci store. So, yeah. We're gonna have to do that. There, so the front is all windowy. Now let's add some lighting. Because light you need, or else you will not be able to see in the Gucci store. And you want to be able to see in the Gucci store. Or we would be doomed for that. Stop glitching like this from me. Gucci is red, green, and white, so we're gonna have to figure out something. Let's see. We're going to buy a light switch so we can turn off the lights when we need to turn off the lights. It's stuck. There we go. So we're going to paint this white so that we can have much brighter lights, and because we are not elderly, but this is a larger lamp. Actually, we're just gonna change the color. So yes. Yes, bro. We're rocking the Gucci. Gonna be origin. Oh, it's like a darker red. Yes. Alright, those right there are the Gucci color skies. That's right, the Gucci color. And now we are currently painting the colors. Because why not? No, I want green. Nope. Oh, stop going to the floor. You need to paint the clothing rack so that I can have a success in this Gucci store. Alright, now it's time. Okay, we're gonna do something like more expensive. Like maybe marble. I don't know. Ooh, that looks nice, right? So I have no idea what I'm doing, but I am currently painting the walls of the Gucci store. So stop it. And the only thing I really need to paint. I like that. That's good. Alright, now I'm going to search up some Bloxburg codes. So I am back. I am just gonna see if I can search it because they have no. Just gonna do this, and we're gonna see. That's gonna be the Gucci store. Change picture. We're gonna have. There. And like, let's get the one on top. But hold on. Let me see real quick. Alright guys, so this is the final touches. Sorry, I'm very stinky. Yeah, but whatever. We're gonna ignore that. This is our Gucci store. That is our logo. And we walk inside. Why am I? Okay, it glitched. Sorry. And this is the Gucci store. Looks pretty nice, I know. Alright. Well, that's basically it. So, guys, thanks for watching. That is our Gucci store. And yeah, it didn't take that long because it is a clothing store and there's really nothing much to add. Thanks for watching. Bye.